Hello everyone, this is puramodera and welcome to my channel. This time I'm showing you my recently finished model, the Great Mazinga, from Bandai's high-grade Mazinga Z Infinity series. This is the fourth model that I have worked on in this series, and I'm glad to say that I only have one more kit left. Previously, I've completed the Glandizer, Majin Kaiser, and the 1/60th scale Mazinga Z. I will try to post videos of the other three models in this series, and you could give me the incentive by liking this video and subscribe to this channel. Due to my OCD, I couldn't just paint this model with a single color in each sections of the body, so I opted to paint every section with at least two colors. For example, the gaps between the armor pieces are painted with gunmetal, then they're masked off before painting the armor pieces with dark gray, silver, or the special Mazinga blue. The wings are also painted with the same approach, except I also used two different shades of red. The blaze band is cast with clear red plastic, and to bring out the details, I painted gold from behind, followed by clear red. This is so the gold paint doesn't stick out like a sore thumb when you look at it from behind. When I worked on the Majin Kaiser kit, I've saved many unused parts that are identical from this Great Mazinga kit. Because of this, I have duplicate pieces for the sword blades, the head, chest, and knee armors. Since my plan for the last kit is to have heavy battle damages, I thought this is the perfect opportunity to experiment with the extra parts. In the end, I only used the sword blade with damages. The rest of the damaged parts are put away not because they didn't work out, but it is to fit my plan for the diorama. Weathering was done with AK weathering pencils to create the dirt, and dry brushing chrome silver to simulate scratches. I chose to weather the leg the most and lightly weather the rest of the body. I hope you like what I have done with this model kit. If you would like to see more of my new and old builds, please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.